Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Linux latest version, that is 2022 on VirtualBox. Open browser and go to kali.org. This is the official website for Kali. See, Kali Linux is an open source Debian based Linux distribution geared towards various information security tasks such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics and reverse engineering. Click on this download. See, here we have two options. One, installer image, and another one is pre-built virtual machines. We can directly attach the Kali Linux operating system by using VMware or VirtualBox. See, if we are using VirtualBox, just click on this download button. If you are using VMware, just click on this download. But I am going to download and install. So click on this installer images. See, here the current version is Kali Linux 2022.3. I am going to download 64-bit ISO file. Click on this download button. See, once we click on download button, download has been started. I am cancelling this download because I have already downloaded the Kali Linux 2022. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox, then go through the link provided in the video description. Now click on this new or click on machine. Then select new. Both are same. Here I am giving Kali Linux. Machine folder path I am giving default one. If you have enough space in other drives, then specify here. Type is Linux and version is Debian. Kali Linux is Debian based operating system. Then provide memory size. Here I am giving 4 gigabytes. Provide based on your availability. Hard disk type I am going with create a virtual hard disk now. Then click on create. This is the virtual hard disk file location and its file name. Here I am giving file size as 40 gigabytes. Hard disk files type is I am giving virtual hard disk. Storage on physical hard disk I have selected default option, that is dynamically allocated. Then click on create. See, we have created virtual machine, but we haven't mounted the downloaded Kali Linux ISO file. Click on settings, then storage, then click on this empty, then click on this drop down button, then choose a disk file. Then select the Kali Linux DVD file. Or simply click on this storage, then click on this optical drive, choose a disk file. Then select it and click on open. See, the download file has been mounted successfully. Now click on start to start the actual installation of Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Now here we have these options. Use up and down arrows and select the option whichever suits you. But I am going with graphical install. Then press enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select location. I am going with default location, that is United States. Then click on continue. Keyboard I am going with American English. Then click on continue. Here provide the host name for this virtual machine. Default it has selected Kali. I am going with the default one. Otherwise give Kali 2022. Then click on continue. If you want to add to domain name, then provide name. If you don't provide it, then it will be standalone. Then click on continue. I am not giving any domain name. Now here provide new user full name other than the root. See, this is the username. Then click on continue. Then provide the password for the new user, that is AutoSchools. Then click on continue. Here select the clock. I am going with Eastern. Then click on continue. partition disks, I am going with use entire disk. I am not going to set up any disk now. Next, then next, click on yes and continue. I am going with all defaults, not selecting genome or KDE plasma. If you want, you can select them. Then click on continue. If you don't want to install grub bootloader, then click on no. Otherwise, keep SSDs and click on continue. Select the device for the bootloader installation. Then click on continue. See, installation has been completed. It is saying make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting the installation. So go to virtual machine, then go to VirtualBox. See, it has already removed. Let's verify here also. Storage empty. See, it is not there, so no need to worry. Click on continue to reboot the Kali Linux virtual machine. Hit enter. Username is R2 schools and password is the password which we provided. See, this is the desktop screen of Kali Linux. Click on this terminal, then verify the installed versions. See, notice here, this is the hostname that we have provided at the time of installation. Verify Kali Linux version. More /etc/os-release. See, we have installed Kali Linux GNU, ID is Kali and version is 2022.3. Press Q. Click on this Kali. See, these are the applications comes with Kali Linux. We can perform penetration testing or information security operations or forensics checks. See, forensics, reporting tools, social engineering tools, database assessment, password attacks and all other options. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.